Which pull-up bar is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Ally Peaks Doorway Bar. First up is the Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar for Doorway. Priced at $27.99, this one caught my eye with its heavy-duty construction and a max limit of 440 pounds. If you want a solid entry-level pull-up bar that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The multi-grip design allows you to target different muscle groups, whether you're doing pull-ups, push-ups, or dips. Plus, it's portable so you can use it at home or in the office. With over 12,900 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, buyers clearly appreciate its quality. However, some users mention difficulty with installation, particularly if their door frames aren't standard sizes. Here's the thing though, if you have a typical doorway, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option for those looking to get fit without cluttering their space with bulky equipment. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and functional pull-up bar for home workouts. Skip this one if you have non-standard door frames or need something that requires permanent installation. At that price, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the installation concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ally Peaks Adjustable Bar. Next, we have the Ally Peaks Adjustable Pull-Up Bar for Doorway, priced at $33.99. What really grabbed my attention here is the width-adjustable design. If you want something that can fit various door frames, this is definitely worth a look. With 5 levels of adjustment for width and 2 for thickness, it can comfortably fit door frames from 21.65 to 39.37 inches wide. It holds up to 500 pounds, which is impressive for those heavier lifts. The double silicone protection for your door frame is a huge plus too, preventing damage while you work out. Over 1,000 reviews led to a strong 4.4-star rating, indicating this product meets expectations. However, a few users reported that it can be a bit tricky to adjust initially. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility is worth the learning curve. It's great for anyone who wants versatility in their home gym setup. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of door frames and want an adjustable option. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler with fixed dimensions. For the price, it offers great adaptability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more muscle behind their pull-ups. Product number 3, Ally Peaks Heavy Duty Bar. The third product is another Ally Peaks model, this time the heavy-duty pull-up bar at $29.89. Honestly, this one genuinely surprised me with its upgraded construction. This bar also boasts a 440 pounds limit and comes with thicker grade bolts that passed a 2,200-pound load-bearing test, ensuring safety during those intense workouts. It's designed for easy installation and removal, which is perfect for those of you with limited space. With 299 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating, many users sing its praises. However, some complaints mention that it can take a bit of effort to ensure it's secured properly. But here's the thing, once you do, it's rock solid. If you're serious about strength training, this bar won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize your home workouts with added resistance options. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with ensuring secure installation. At this price, it's a great investment for your fitness journey. Now, if you're looking for something that offers unique grip options, our next pick might catch your attention. Product number 4, KAKICLAY Multi-Grip Bar. Next up is the KAKICLAY 2026 Upgrade Multi-Grip Pull-Up Bar, priced at $59.49. This one really stands out with its ergonomic grip design. The bar features an original US patent for its design, which means you're getting something unique. The multiple grip options allow for a comfortable workout without the hand blisters that come from traditional bars. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,500 reviews, users seem to appreciate its thoughtful design and comfort. Now, some users have pointed out that it may not fit as well on hollow doors, so keep that in mind. But if you have a sturdy door frame, it's definitely a great option. The extra comfort and grip versatility could make your workouts much more enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you want a variety of grip options for your workouts. Skip this one if your door frame isn't solid enough to support it. It's a bit pricier, but the comfort might be worth the investment. Finally, if you prefer a more permanent installation, the next pick is designed specifically for that. Product number 5, FitArc Joist Mount Bar. Last but not least, we have the FitArc Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar, which comes in at $39.99. This one is designed for those who want a sturdy, permanent solution for pull-ups. The heavy-duty steel construction gives it excellent stability, making it perfect for serious workouts. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users find it reliable. However, installation can be a bit more involved since it requires a secure joist. If you're not handy or don't want to drill into your walls, this might not be for you. But if you're committed to your fitness journey and want a permanent fixture, it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a strong, stable option for your home gym setup. Skip this one if you prefer something portable or easy to remove. For the value, it's a strong contender for anyone serious about weight training. So there you have it. We've covered the Ally Peaks pull-up bar for doorway, the adjustable bar, the heavy-duty option, the KAKICLAY multi-grip, and finally the FitArc Joist Mount Bar. Each has its strengths depending on your workout needs and setup preferences. Choose the one that best suits your fitness goals, and you'll be well on your way to getting fit at home.